Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we will be taking a look at some of the freshest and most beautiful land in the Bahamas. This amazing 15-acre undeveloped beachfront land on Fortune Beach in the Grand Bahamas offers prime access to white sandy beaches, clear blue ocean water, and undisturbed tranquility in every inch of its land. Now, let's take a look and explore our new home. The purchasing price for this land in USD is $5,500,000. In JMD, $882,335,850. In Bahamian dollars, $5,503,751 Bahamian dollars. In Canadian, $7,670,245. In euros, $4,720,100. In Great British pounds, $4,143,425. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.